brainwashed mind. You're next in line. The classic reader on the other side. Step out of line. A firing line. Restily erase your mind. Step out of line. There's a brother on the other side. A father, a son. Reprogram your brainwashed mind.